So our post-visit survey project was actually occurring long before I started taking it over about 2 years ago. It's amazing the data that healow does provide us. And then in turn, I was running the data and realized that we were able to export this data into an Excel file. I am now able to track longitudinally and look back and analyze the data based on the provider and the day of the office visit and the office that the patients went to. So it's really been an amazing tool for us. When patients have a good experience, their clinical outcomes are better, and we need to focus on the patient's experience in healthcare to know what their perspective is of the healthcare that we are providing. They can share their insight into what we're doing really, really well and maybe areas that we need to make improvement on. There's so many different ways that we can look at the data. The already stock questions that are in healow, we still had over 1,000 responses a month, which is a great survey sample to be able to capture information and get a real-life, real-time view on what's going on with the patients and their perspectives on our practice. And we're able to use the healow messenger campaign through the post-visit surveys to do this for us. What's great is because of the post-visit surveys and the way you can set them up, you can query any patients at any site seeing any specific provider about anything.